Cessna. Think about how many videos I have of them flying right there, revving the hell out of their engine. This guy is now flying silently. And he's able to be way out there over those houses and surveil me just fine. I'm not able to hear him. He's traveling fine. He just actually accelerated a little bit and nobody heard it because his plane is in gear. And that distance out behind the house, that's like what a lot of their Captain Sully cover-up videos were like. That distance out there, and that height, and they try to use my camera against me. I go, oh, we can't be sure. That might not even be a plane.